Life itself is at stake. Children of the Melville Island Mission Station arrive in Melbourne, where they await transfer to a country home. A little bewildered by it all at first, their shyness is soon conquered, and they're just happy kids on a corroboree. Many of them are half Japanese, daughters of pearl fishing fathers and Aboriginal mothers. Many again are almost white.
We are very pleased to be here in Melbourne, out of danger, but longing to go home to Melville Island.
The Melville Island they long for, now seriously menaced by Japan's southward march. Here the youngsters knew happiness in the gentle, kindly care of the sisters, children of the sun and sea. But civilization has come to Melville Island, the new order of the Japanese Empire, a civilization whose culture is written with bonds. And so there is a vibrant note of pathos as the youngsters sing of their island home.